Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm going to take an English class for the students of class 5. And this is the first class of your annual term examination. Okay, our today's topic is Unit 19, Lesson 1 to 4. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 5, subject English, topic Unit 19, Lesson 1 to 4. I repeat again, topic Unit 19, Lesson 1 to 4, term annual, lecture number 1 and HW number 1, and your HW will be exercise B. This is my name, Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my phone number. Okay, let's start at first. We'll read a passage of Unit 19. You can see that Sunshine magazine, the article or the passage, it was published in the magazine, and this magazine, the magazine by and for the students of class 5, that means the students of class 5 like you published a magazine. The name of this magazine is Sunshine magazine, and this article is taken from here. A visit to the Liberation War Museum, Farhan Ahmed. On 14 December, our class went on a field trip to the Liberation War Museum at Agargaon, Dhaka. The trip was planned as part of our Bangladesh and Global Studies course. Our bus reached the museum at 10 a.m. A guide was waiting for us. He welcomed us warmly and took us on a quick tour of the different galleries and exhibits of the museum. At first, we watched a video clip on our Liberation War and our independence. There were 4 permanent galleries that exhibited rare photographs, documents, and newspaper clippings and objects used by the freedom fighters and the martyrs of our liberation war. At Gallery 2, our rights, our sacrifices, our teacher read out to us the Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Some other visitors also stopped and listened to it attentively. As we went inside Gallery 4, our victory, our values, we fell silent. We were sad as we looked at the personal belongings of some of our martyred intellectuals and freedom fighters, a pair of glasses, a pen, a notebook, a money bag, a shirt, and other such things. We left the museum at 12:30. It was an experience we would never forget. So this is the passage which describes about the Liberation War Museum, and it is situated at Agargaon, Dhaka. And there are 4 galleries, and among the 4 galleries, the students of this passage visited 2, gallery number 2 and 4, and the name of the gallery 2 is Our Rights, Our Sacrifices, and the name of Gallery 4 is Our Victory, Our Values. Now dear students, we will solve some questions. Look in your English for Today book in exercise B, there are some questions. Now we will try to answer them. Question number 1. When did the class go to the Liberation War Museum? Answer. The class went to the Liberation War Museum on 14 December. 2. Why did the class go to the Liberation War Museum? Answer. The class went to the Liberation War Museum as a part of their Bangladesh and Global Studies course. Number 3. How many permanent galleries are there in the Liberation War Museum? The answer. There are 4 permanent galleries in the Liberation War Museum. Number 4. Which 2 galleries the writer and his class visit? Answer. The writer and his class visited Gallery 2, Our Rights, our rights, our sacrifices. Sorry, here rights is repeated, is written twice. And gallery 4, our victory, our values. Question number 5. What personal belongings did the students see in gallery 4, our victory, our values? In gallery 4, our victory, our values, the students saw some personal belongings such as a pair of glasses, a pen, a notebook, a money bag, a shirt, etc. So dear students, this exercise number B will be your homework. The first homework for your annual term, HW number 1, exercise B. Okay. So students, I hope that you have understood today's class very well. For your better understanding, you will read the passage at home again and you will submit your HW in proper time, and attend online classes regularly, watch YouTube classes, read attentively, stay safe. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.